Hello everybody. In this video we're going to use a high stability external OCXO. This particular OCXO comes out of a lot of the older HP spectrum analyzers and so forth. That number at the top, the 18130.644, you can look that up. I think it's option 44 for a lot of spectrum analyzers. It has quite reasonable specifications. Draws 90 milliamps at 12 volts once it's warmed up. It produces 0 dBm out at 10 megahertz. When I first used this guy to power the 122 gigahertz transverter, the received signal sounded a bit ordinary, and on the oscilloscope we can see that the signal itself has got a lot of spurs on it, so decided to check out why that might be the case. And the one I've hooked up here I've plugged into my other analyzer, and if we look at the screen there we can see that the second, third and fourth harmonics are quite substantial with this oscillator. The second one's only 30 dB down. So to clean that up, what we're going to do is we're going to insert a little multi-pole filter that I've created on a RF filter board, so that will filter the 10 megahertz signal. And once we've done that, we'll have a look at the signal on the spectrum analyzer to see what difference we've got. Okay, now we have the filter in line. You can hear the tone on the 817, about 1 kilohertz, but as we see it's not exactly on frequency now. Output of the oscillator is about 60 millihertz high, which accounts for the offset. And if we look at the screen of the spectrum analyzer, we can see the signal is a lot clearer. Let's just hold that. If I switch backwards and forwards between what we've got now and what it was before, we can see a significant improvement in signal quality that's been transmitted. So the moral of the story is make sure that even if you've got a nice accurate OCXO, make sure the thing's clean. The signal coming out of the transverter, it's not going to be too flash, but at least we can see that the signal that we can hear on the FT817 is quite clean, and it's not moving about or barely perceptible, which is what we want.